Hey everyone, this is David Bokman. I'm the owner of Philly Home Investor. We're based out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and we buy, sell, and rebuild real estate all over the southeastern part of Pennsylvania, South Jersey, and soon to be expanding into the Florida area. This is going to be a video series of all the questions that we get asked all the time, and one of the main questions that we get asked is how fast can I close with a real estate investor? That's actually really easy, and one of the benefits of working with a local real estate investor is that we can typically close on your property in 30 days or less. The way the process looks is once the contracts are signed, everything is sent over to a local title company. They, at that point, go ahead and start to run the title process. As long as there are no issues with the property, for example, are there back taxes? Are there liens on the property? Is it a probate property? As long as everything is pretty standard, we actually are able to close anywhere from 15 to 20 days, sometimes even less, depending on how much work is needed to be done at the title company. We always say 30 days because that's usually sometimes the maximum amount of time that it will take. So the benefits of working with a real estate investor is that we can close on a property very quickly because we're using cash and because we're not buying the property with any mortgage contingencies. That's why working with a real estate investor can be a much faster and easier option. There's much less red tape that has to be done. So once again, we always tell people anywhere between 15 and 30 days is how fast we can close on your property. If you have a property, whether it's a home or a piece of land or a commercial property that you're looking to sell in the Philadelphia region, please reach out. Let us give you a non-obligation free offer on your property today. Thanks, and hope you and your family are staying safe during these times.